Good evening and welcome to the DebtCircle Sundown Brief. I'm your host, Leela. Let's take a look at today's key developments across the debt and financial markets. Top 5 highest yield listed corporate bonds. First, let's look at the top 5 highest yielding listed corporate bonds. Monedo Financial Services Private Limited, yield of 17.00% with a trade value of 77.00 lakh rupees. Regency FinCorp Limited, yield of 16.00% with a trade value of 40.00 lakh rupees. Monedo Financial Services Private Limited, yield of 16.00% with a trade value of 1.00 lakh rupees. Unfins Capital India Limited, yield of 15.65% with a trade value of 10.20 lakh rupees. Best Capital Services Limited, yield of 15.47% with a trade value of 18.00 lakh rupees. Top 5 highest yield unlisted corporate bonds. Now, moving to the top 5 highest yielding unlisted corporate bonds. Equison Investment Private Limited, yield of 19.0647% with a trade value of 1000.00 lakh rupees. Greenco RJ02 IREP Private Limited, yield of 14.18% with a trade value of 2400.00 lakh rupees. Apex Homes Private Limited, yield of 14.00% with a trade value of 3950.22 lakh rupees. GMR Energy Limited, yield of 9.0455% with a trade value of 7000.00 lakh rupees. Nuvama Wealth and Investment Limited, yield of 9.00% with a trade value of 160.00 lakh rupees. Mutual fund debt transactions. Gross purchases stand at 9,359.59 crore rupees. Gross sales stand at 11,307.04 crore rupees. Net investment stands at negative 1,947.45 crore rupees. Net investment for July, month to date, stands at negative 36,271.300 crore rupees. FPI debt market investment. Now, let's look at foreign portfolio investor debt market investment. Gross purchases under the general limit stand at 742.83 crore rupees. Under VRR, gross purchases stand at 299.25 crore rupees. Under FAR, gross purchases stand at 323.94 crore rupees. Gross sales under the general limit stand at 653.70 crore rupees. Under VRR, gross sales stand at 159.58 crore rupees. Under FAR, gross sales stand at 1470.67 crore rupees. Net investment under the general limit stands at 89.13 crore rupees. Net investment under VRR stands at 139.67 crore rupees. Net investment under FAR stands at negative 1,146.73 crore rupees. For July, month to date, net investment under the general limit stands at 29,103.03 crore rupees. VRR records a net investment of negative 11,673.01 crore rupees, and FAR records a net investment of 6,897.68 crore rupees. For 2026, year-to-date on a calendar year basis, net investment under the general limit stands at 56,328 crore rupees. VRR stands at negative 11,379 crore rupees, and FAR stands at 43,163 crore rupees. Money market rates. Moving to money market rates, the call rate stands at 5.30%. The T-repo rate is at 5.14%. The basket repo rate stands at 5.26%, and the special repo rate is at 4.73%. India government bond yields. The one-year government bond yield stands at 5.76%. The 3-year yield is at 6.25%. The 5-year yield stands at 6.43%. The 7-year yield is at 6.62%. The 9-year yield stands at 6.79%. The 10-year yield is at 6.80%. The 15-year yield stands at 7.00%, and the 30-year yield is at 7.45%. T-bill yield and auction cutoff. The 91-day Treasury bill yield stands at 5.35%. The 182-day Treasury bill yield is at 5.61%, and the 364-day Treasury bill yield stands at 5.76%. Liquidity indicators. Net liquidity injected stands at negative 132,654 crore rupees. The standing deposit facility, or SDF, stands at 132,746 crore rupees. The marginal standing facility, or MSF, stands at 92 crore rupees. MIBOR OIS rates. The 1-year MIBOR OIS rate stands at 5.91%. The 2-year rate is at 6.10%. The 3-year rate stands at 6.20%, and the 5-year rate is at 6.39%. Modified MIFOR rates. The 2-year modified MIFOR rate stands at 7.04%. The 3-year rate is at 7.07%. The 4-year rate stands at 0.00%, and the 5-year rate is at 7.23%. Currency rates. The US dollar to Indian rupee rate stands at 95.70 rupees compared with 95.80 rupees previously. The euro to Indian rupee rate stands at 108.97 rupees compared with 108.87 rupees previously. The British pound to Indian rupee rate stands at 127.20 rupees compared with 127.26 rupees previously. The Japanese yen to Indian rupee rate stands at 0.59 rupees compared with 0.58 rupees previously. And the Chinese yuan to Indian rupee rate stands at 14.14 rupees compared with 14.15 rupees previously. Commodities and indices. Gold, 24 carat with 99.9% purity, is priced at 14,351 rupees per 10 grams, compared with 14,417 rupees previously. Silver is priced at 2,350 rupees per 10 grams, unchanged from the previous level of 2,350 rupees. Crude oil is trading at 85.56 US dollars, compared with 84.58 US dollars previously. The Sensex stands at 77,654.60, compared with 76,765.92 previously. The Nifty stands at 24,250.20, compared with 23,983.95 previously. India primary issuance, corporate bonds. As of July 27, 2026, here are the latest primary corporate bond issuances. Unfins Capital India Limited is issuing 50 crore rupees with a tenure of 19 months and a coupon of 12.00%. The issue is rated BBB- by India Ratings and Research Private Limited. Muthoot Housing Finance Company Limited is issuing 50 crore rupees with a tenure of 37 months and a coupon of 10.25%. The issue is rated AA- by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Summit Digital Infrastructure Limited is issuing 1,200 crore rupees with a tenure of 60 months and a coupon of 7.51%. The issue carries a AAA rating from CARE Ratings Limited and a AAA rating from CRISIL Ratings Limited. Western Capital Advisors Private Limited is issuing 30 crore rupees with a tenure of 31 months and a coupon of 10.75%. The issue is rated A- by Accurate Ratings and Research Limited. Avance Financial Services Limited is issuing 500 crore rupees with a tenure of 16 months and a coupon of 8.80%. The issue is rated AA by India Ratings and Research Private Limited. Tata Capital Housing Finance Limited is issuing 525 crore rupees with a tenure of 46 months and a coupon of 7.17%. No rating has been provided. That's all for today's DebtCircle Sundown brief. Stay informed, stay ahead, and keep tracking the debt markets with DebtCircle. I'm Leela and thank you for watching. Have a great evening.